Are you passionate about cars and the automotive industry? In this video, I will show you how to create a free automotive directory website using the free Radius Directory WordPress theme. No coding required. Whether you want to list car dealerships, repair shops, or rentals, I will guide you step by step through setting up categories, customizing your site, and even monetizing it to start earning money. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a professional-looking automotive directory ready for users to list their business. Let's start learning how to create an automotive directory website using the free Radius Directory WordPress theme. Right now, you are viewing a demo of its listing details page. The first step is to download the free theme. So let's go to the Radius Directory free website. And click on the free download now button. After clicking, you will see the purchase status. Now we need to log in to begin the process. First, go to the Appearance, Theme to add new theme. To upload the theme, click on Choose File and select the exact zip file of the Radius Directory free theme that you just downloaded. Finally, click on Install Now and then activate it. After activating, you will get some required plugins to begin installation, but before that, you need to activate the license. For this, click on it and provide the license key. Then click on Save Changes. Now it's time to begin your installing plugins. For that, select all the plugins to install and then Apply Now. While done, click on Return to Required Plugin Installer and again select all of them to activate and then click on Apply. Now return to the dashboard and then go to the Plugins, Install Plugins, find RT Demo Importer. Then install demo content. Read the caution carefully and then click on Install. Keep some patience, it will take a few seconds for completing. And finally, here it is, the stunning Radius directory that delivers a sleek, modern directory experience with intuitive front-end submission. Now, we will build a directory submission form. For this, go to the classified listing, then Form Builder. Click on this icon to edit. Here, this is the appearance of form. At the very bottom of the form, right here, click on this to add a new section. Now go to the input fields and drag the business hour field to drop it in this box. Now let's customize it. Provide the section title as business hour. Now again back to the preset fields to drag social profiles for the another new section. Now let's customize the other section like basic information, product information, featured and gallery image, contact details, etc. In the contact details, provide your location, zip code, phone, email, now according to the product information, go to the preset fields to drag tag and drop it here. Now save this form. Now we will add the automotive categories. For this, go to the listing category to add a new category. Provide the name like motorbike. Add the image of it. You can upload the image to the required products. And then save it. Thus, you can add one by one more categories by following this process. Here these are. Now let's go to the site to visit our customization. In the next, we will add a listing through submission form. For this, click on the Add Listing and then select the category and provide the title. For example, Learn Driving. And then set your price and provide the description of your car along with the tag. After that, set an image of yourself and set the location too. Provide the zip code, address, your contact number, and lastly, submit it. While done, go to the All Listing page and you can see it here. Next, we will customize your website. For this, click on the top at Customize and get an appearance of it. Under the General settings, you can customize and change the logo of your website, like main logo, light logo, mobile logo, and etc. So set a logo what you want to make it. Now let's customize the heading. According to the heading, you will get several customization options like alignment, header width, sticky header, button text, and etc. For the button text, provide a text of yourself like submit, listing. After the header, now go to the footer. Here you can customize what you like. After footer, let's go to the color customization. From here, you can customize the primary color from this color picker according to your choice. Not only that, you can also customize primary light color, secondary color, and etc. So select any color from this color picker. Here, this is the difference. While done, go to the listing settings and get several field options to enable or disable for showing or hiding. For example, search by location, search by type, by radius, and etc. After that, if you want, you can further customize site identity, header image, and etc. While done, click on Publish to save. Now let's click on Edit with Elementor on the top, and this is the appearance of it. We will start customizing with the heading. Provide a suitable heading for this, like Automotive Service. Now move to the style for the further customization. You can customize typography, text stroke, text shadow, etc. From the text color, choose any color of yourself from this color picker. Thus, by using this process, you can customize your further heading and its typography with the text color. Same process are applicable for each heading. Not only that, you can also customize the background color if you want. For this, go to the style and choose a suitable color. What do you think? From this color picker. By following this process, you can do for your further background type customization. While done, click on Publish to save all of our customization. Now let's visit what we have made so far. In the next, we will learn to earn money through monetization. Go to the again classified listing plugin, then settings. From here, go to the payment and then checkout option. If you enable payment option according to the general settings and then set the currency. For the offline payment, enable this option so that user can use this. For this, the instruction will look like that. Now save it. After payment, go to the pricing to add new pricing. So say the price here with the validate until and say it whether it costs at pay per ad or featured wise and write a short description about your rules. While done, click on publish to save. Thus you can add new and more pricing for the next. You just need to follow the same process. Now let's back and visit our customization what we have created. Reload this page and set your category. And then provide the title, for example, car repair and maintenance service. Then state your price. Provide the description of it. Along with the tag. For the image, you can select any image according to your needs. For the contact details, provide the location, zip code, address, phone number, and after finishing, click on Submit. Here, this is an overview of your pricing system. Now, your user can use anyone from this package. For the billing details, provide the name, company name, address, zip code, the contact number, and lastly, the mandatory thing is to choose payment method. Now click on Proceed to Payment. And here, this is the order invoice with the details and the billing address. Now, if you click on View All My Listing, it will show you the payment history. And here it is. If you click on it, your payment status is showing now pending. When you will allow and select the completed and save it, only then your order status will be shown as published. This is the All Listing page. And this is listing details page. And this is how you can create the Automotive Directory website. Thank you for watching.